Jack Wood behind him. Corey LaJoie up top.
Trying to get Eckes a push, and he's going to push him sideways.
There goes Eckes around. Right. Into Parsons. Johnny Sauter gets a piece. And other drivers scattering to miss the accident. Caution number 9.
Man. What a mess. Eckes, Sauter, Parsons, right there battling for the lead.
Eckes has flat tires. Dean Thompson already on pit road. Johnny Sauter's hood askew.
I don't know who's going to win this thing, but we continue to eliminate some really, really good contenders.
Yes, and it's really tough to watch. Is this a push gone awry, or did Christian just get loose? Looked like maybe Taylor Gray came up a bit, huh, Phil?
Yeah, I think so.
And maybe that caused Christian to turn to the right a bit, and then it went around. Let's see what Danny Dye sees. He's going to see a lot.
Really nice job by Daniel Dye.
Right place at the right time, but didn't panic. Rolled out of the gas and just kept his truck pointed straight.
Boy, Stefan was absolutely in the wrong place at the wrong time. A lot of damage to that ballpark Chevrolet.
How many drivers have said that over the years racing at Daytona? Wrong place, wrong time.
Does a heck of a job hanging on to it after that contact. He's on pit road along with Christian Eckes, Dean Thompson,